Hi guys, I am going to show you how you can use Jasper for your content writing. And in this instance, what I'm actually going to do is use the content improver in Jasper and also the content rewriter, which is relatively new. So it's a new tool. And what we're going to do is actually put in some content from our website to see how it's going to improve it using both. So that's the content improver and also the content rewriter. And we should be able to see the outputs from there. Now, if you don't have Jasper or have access to it, we will have a link in the comment section where you can absolutely be able to grab that right away and start doing exactly what I'm doing. And Jasper is really wonderful for marketing. If you want an AI marketing tool, it's totally tremendous. I highly encourage it. But for here, we are going to show you how we're going to do that. So the first thing we are going to do is grab our content from our website. And in this instance, we're going to use this right here, social media in different cultures. And we are going to input the content here into Jasper so that we could see exactly what it does to improve that content. So let's start. And again, we're going to use the content improver and the content rewriter, the one that's in beta here. As you can see, the content improver is on the left here and the content rewriter is on the right here. And how did we get here? Again, under templates, we went to website. If you go to all, you could see everything. You could see it. This is the content improver as well, but there's just a lot of stuff. And just to make life easier, again, you could go to website, since we're trying to improve some content on the website right now, and we're just focusing on these two. Okay, now let's get to it. Okay, so what content would you like to improve? I'm going to copy it right now and then paste it in here and see what it does. The good thing, as you could see, is we have 5,000 characters. So you could put a lot in here. And you could see our blog has 4,247. And let's just do casual. No, let's just do professional. Casual. No, professional, informative. We need it to be very informative because it's a blog and we want it to be so professional, informative, helpful. All right, let's put those in there. And so we have this right here. And now once we click generate content, we're going to look to the right here and it's going to supposedly improve that content. What content would you like to improve? We've put it in there and let's hit generate content. Let's see what happens. And so this might take a little while because it's a lot of content, but it shouldn't be that long. Okay. Understanding social media in different cultures, what you need to know. Social media has become a global phenomenon, reshaping our world. So as you can see here, it has actually broken it down, even to the bullet points that we have. And it has rewritten it. So I can easily review this, copy and paste it, and that's done. Okay. Now what I'm also going to do in this instance then is open up another one here. And let's see what happens. So our content improver. So we're going to do this. So that was our content improver. So I just opened another tab because we are going to do the same thing. Let's go to our templates, go back to our website with the content rewriter. Now, as you can see, the difference between the content rewriter and the content improver is off the back right away, I could tell it's 2,500 characters, right? So it might just not take a whole blog, as you can see. But what I'm going to do here is at least paste it and see what happens. Nope, sorry. So let's do this. I'm going to do the same content again and place it in here. It's probably going to tell me it's too much. Does it say that? No. All right. Improve the writing goal, improve the structure, make it more engaging. Okay. Improve the structure and make it more informative. Informational, informative. I think that's good. All right. So we will stick with our, let's do captivating, professional, informative. I'm not sure it's going to give us that many characters, but at least we will see here. So I'm going to just do one output instead of 3. And let's see what it does. So generate content. First of all, it's not telling us we've put so much in here, so it's just probably still going to use it, and we will see what happens. Title: Social Media in Different Cultures, Understanding the Impact and Key Considerations. Introduction. So it's relatively shorter. The content rewriter is relatively shorter. It sort of summarizes it. Cultural variations in social media usage is the first bullet point here. Cultural acceptance is the first bullet point here. The second one is cultural sensitivity and acceptance here. The second one is purpose and usage here. The third one is localized differences in social media engagement here. The third one is platform preferences here. So as you can see, 2 different dynamics. Now, what would be really golden, I will tell you this, what would be really golden is then now to grab both of them. You see, I would just say, just to make it look really good. And this is really going to be cool. So I'm just going to copy this, right? And I'm going to go to chat here. This is just a bonus. This is a bonus based on the wonders that you could do in here. So we have this over here. All right. And so we've copied that. And now I'm going to also copy this. So we have both. All right. Oh, no, sorry. Big mistake. So I'm going to stop generating. Actually, what I'm trying to do, and I will show you guys here in a minute, is combine both and then tell the chat tool to combine it and give me a great article. See that? That's just even better. So I'm going to recopy this. Control C. And space it out again. Move this back. Control V. All right, we have too many characters, it's saying. Okay, I could see that. All right, so as you can see, too many characters, but I'm still going to tell it what to do. Can you summarize this into a whole article on understanding social media in different cultures? So I'm going to take this out. And then just to remove the conclusion here, just to reduce some stuff, I'll just, maybe take away the last 2 paragraphs so we're in there, because it's not going to let me shorten it. We have 762 many. Keep in mind, these are 2 articles I've still combined, both from the content rewriter and the content improver. 395 too many, and I'm just shortening it. And I'm just going to just say, hey, you know what? Create something for me here. 395. All right, we're good now. And let's hit send and let's see what happens here. So I'm not sure. So as you can see now, it's combining both. Yep. So see that? That's pretty cool. So I've used the content rewriter and also the content improver for one article and told the chat in Jasper to combine both for a wonderful article, as you can see. And this totally makes it my article, right? As you would like to call it, my article. I've created this because I have totally built this based on how I put in the prompts. Great prompt engineering would call it. Anyway, so I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see great content that's helpful for you. And again, if you do need access to Jasper, we will have the link for you, our affiliate link, where you could use and join Jasper and start creating amazing content. Till next time, take care.